Hey guys, I am Fuji. Welcome to the Fuji's Kitchen. March 3rd is the Hinamatsuri in Japan. At home, decorate the Hina-ningyo dolls and wish for the healthy growth of the girl.
However, it has nothing to do with me.
Soak dried shiitake mushroom in water. Today, I'll make Chirashizushi, a staple of the Hinamatsuri. Peel the lotus root. Cut to the thickness of 3 mm, then soak in vinegar water. Put 1000 cc of water and 2 teaspoons of vinegar in a pan and boil. Add the lotus roots and boil for 3 minutes and drain the water with strainer. 100 cc of vinegar, 100 cc of water, 50 grams of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon of dashi powder, 1/4 teaspoon of chili. I forgot to soak it in vinegar water before boiling, so the color got a little worse. Wrap and put in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. Then cook rice with a rice cooker. Next, wash the kanpyo. Kanpyo is a string-shaped dried gourd. It's an ingredient that is rarely used except for sushi. Knead with a small amount of salt. Rinse off the salt with running water. Soak in water for a while. Hey look, it's a really interesting ingredient. Boil for about 10 minutes until soft. Kanpyo takes time to prepare, but sweet and salted kanpyo is very delicious. It's like a string.
This is kanpyo.
Dried shiitake mushrooms have become softer. Cut off the root part. You can make delicious soup using reconstituted juice. Stew the shiitake mushroom and kanpyo. 400 cc of dashi soup stock, 100 cc soy sauce, 100 cc mirin, 20 grams of sugar. Put on high heat. Bring to the boil to remove alcohol. Add dried shiitake mushroom and kanpyo. By the way, if you can't get dried shiitake mushroom, you can use fresh shiitake mushrooms. Stew on medium heat for about 20 minutes. When the amount of juice is about 1/3, take out the shiitake mushroom and kanpyo. Boiled in a good color. Slice the shiitake mushrooms. 1/3 amount is used for decoration. Finally chop the rest. It's mixed with rice. Kanpyo is squeezed to drain water well. This is to prevent the rice from becoming sticky. Cut into pieces about 20 cm long and then chop them into small pieces. This is also mixed with rice. Add 1 tablespoon of salt to plenty of water and boil, then boil the snow peas. Boil for 1 to 2 minutes and soak in ice water. By doing this, it will be finished in a beautiful green color. Cut in half diagonally. Snow peas are spring-like vegetables. Then boil the shrimp. Small shrimp is good. Boil the shrimp for about 3 minutes until it is cooked well. Next, make the omelette. Break the egg in a bowl. This channel introduces many Japanese food to everyone around the world. Updated every Friday. Please subscribe. This time I use 3 eggs. Mix well. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar and 1 pinch of salt. Mix well. Heat the oil in a frying pan. The heat is low. Wipe off excess oil with kitchen paper. Add 1/3 of the egg. Spread the egg thinly and bake it slowly over low heat. This square frying pan is a frying pan dedicated to omelette. Gently peel off so as not to tear. Spread the omelette on a cutting board and fold it in half. Shred from the edge. This is the kinshi tamago. It means an omelette like a golden thread. The rice is cooked. Serve rice in a bowl. This wooden table is exclusively for sushi. Breathable, non-greasy rice. Add sushi vinegar to rice. Sushi vinegar is made by mixing 50 cc of vinegar, 25 grams of sugar, and 10 grams of salt. I was irritated by vinegar on my nose. Mix well and let cool with a fan. It's finally finished. Add chopped dried shiitake mushroom and kanpyo to the sushi rice and mix well. Sprinkle plenty of shredded seaweed. Seaweed flavor is indispensable for sushi. Sprinkle shredded omelette. Spread the rice so that you can't see it. Put the lotus root pickles. Lotus root pickles are crunchy. Sprinkle slices of dried shiitake mushrooms. The order in which the ingredients are placed is important for beautiful presentation. Arrange the boiled shrimp beautifully. Sprinkle the snow peas. The bright green color makes you feel the arrival of spring. Sprinkle the sakura-denpu. This is a pink-colored cold powder. This is also a very interesting ingredient. It looks like peach blossoms are in bloom. Decorate the salmon roll to finish. It's a gorgeous Chirashizushi with very beautiful colorful ingredients. It's done. Oh, colorful and beautiful. It's a waste to set aside. I want to eat salmon raw. I will the arrival of spring today. Spring come. Good luck and happiness for all girls. Woo! Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel and thanks. See you next time.